Hey guys, it's the Tin Man here. Just doing some investigating on these trees here out in Mission, British Columbia, towards Miracle Valley, where Cascade Falls are. Cascade Falls and all that are back that way. So if you want to stop by and look at these 120-year-old plus beauties, they're just magnificent. But the sad thing about it is, it seems like they're being set ablaze. I've gone up and I've studied that, and that's charcoal. Somebody has been igniting these 120-year-old trees on fire, and the RCMP have to do something about this. They have to put some kind of a little bit of investigation into this. Just to bunch of birds came in behind me there, just to try to find out and solve this mystery. Like, who in their right mind in Mission, British Columbia or around is coming around and lighting these trees on fire? That's what I'd like to know. Peace out from the Tin Man. It's deep enough scored where it's penetrating the bark into, you know, a 1/4 inch and more. So it's a heavy, hot burn. Peace out from the Tin Man. Thanks for watching.